let's go back to, years back when you took your first shot in Malayalam cinema. Your first take, your first day. What was it like? Can you recollect and tell me what it was like?
It was a song shoot, the first day of shoot, because Mr. Ocean Andrews wanted to make us feel very comfortable and not just get into dialogues immediately, as we all three of us were new.
Yeah.
And I remember he wanted to just lighten up the mood by starting off with a song shoot. We were shooting in Ooty all the while. I think the weather, the ambience around, that whole school atmosphere, Lovedale, Lawrence and everything just took us back to our school days. We were all kind of very comfortable. We were not feeling awed or conscious or anything like that because we had a workshop before the film, before the shooting started, where we got to know each other very well, whether it may be the team or the co-actors and everything. We kind of gelled really well. We had a wonderful time. I mean, it can never be forgotten. So on the first day, we all were like chilled out and doing our bit.
Have you made friends in the Malayalam movie industry?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
But not best friends. They all can be just friends.
Friends, yeah.
Yes, I don't believe that you can have best friends in the industry, because I feel the people who really know you before the screen world is your school friends, your college friends, and they can always be your best friends forever. These friends, yes, they come into our life and they influence our changes in our decisions and everything, but they cannot be best friends. Yeah.
Okay. Who are people who you are regularly in touch with from the industry?
I used to be in touch with Meera because I look up to her a lot. So
definitely.
I mean, I just love the way her roles have spoken. Others are all there, Anne Augustine, Renu Matthews, and so many of them, Ramya, because I've worked with all of them,
Right.
in a couple of films. So we just get to know each other.
The year 2011. You did about 6 films.
Ooh,
about.
Really?
Yes. Actually very busy year for you. You did about 6 films. But they were not really, you were not central characters in those films.
Are
What
you talking
happened
about
in
movies
2000?
like Traffic and
Grandmaster
Traffic?
or Traffic, yeah.
Chapakursh, you're talking about those
Yeah,
set of films,
yeah.
yes. In fact, I would call them, those were the films that actually changed the Malayalam industry, right? In fact, from Traffic, if I'm not mistaken. Before that, we were still doing the typical hero-heroine films where it would be the one main male character and the one main female character. It was not all about all the characters, influencing the script or being a part of that film. But like movies like Uttara Swayamvaram and Shakespeare, it was just Jayasuriya Roma, Prithvi Roma. It was like that, right? It was just the hero-heroine. But when it came to films like Traffic, when it came to films like Chapakursh and Grandmaster, it started being, it was all about being characters. It was not being a heroine or the main character of the film. In fact, Traffic, we all still wonder who's actually the main character. There were so many of us, and Sriniyatan was amazing, Kunjaku Boban was amazing, Asif Ali was amazing. Each one had their kind of slot. So the whole persona around this whole hero-heroine film kind of changed. And as the change started, we started seeing a real change in that, then we wanted to be a part of those good films, in good characters. We couldn't really, because in those films, there was nothing called heroine. There was no love angle with the hero. In fact, there was just, maybe just characters that were significant. I wouldn't say that there was an actor or a hero or a heroine that was really significant to the audience.
So you've done lots of films. I mean, I don't know, how many films have you done Malayalam?
I think
on
20, 18, 20.
Probably.
Yeah.
Tell me a film that you've enjoyed working on the set and watching it as well, like equally, after all the editing and cut chop and post-production.
Just one? I need to mention only one?
No, you can say more than one.
Okay. Notebook.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Okay.
Nothing to beat these two, really.
Yeah. Okay.
Rest of them have all been good. But yes, initially the whole, the fresh energies that worked on Notebook and Chocolate were amazing. Shooting it and watching it on screen. Even now. Both these films are very special to me.
Talking about your Facebook page, I mean, the number of likes you have on that page is pretty outstanding.
Yeah. 2 million?
Yeah, something of that sort. I think so. I saw a post that said 2 million views. Even on Orkut, before
I used
it
to,
exists
yeah,
today.
yeah. I used to love Orkut, you know.
Yeah.
There was a lot of, the freshness in Orkut
Yeah.
was there, but I
think
don't know,
yours
Facebook
is like one
and-
of the top pages of probably the Malayalam actors
You know,
at that time.
actually, I started off very late. I should have been on Facebook much earlier.
Okay.
But I'm not a totally socially active person, you know.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe that's whether it's a drawback or for the good. I don't really judge that. But I'm not very socially active on
Okay.
online and keeping in touch and all that. I wasn't like that. But I think last 1.5 years, I have changed and I started becoming active on Facebook. So I actually entered the FB world very late. And by God's grace, I don't know, it's just like, oh, it just shoots up.
Yeah, so I mean, what have your fans been sharing with you? Like I said, you've been silent for a
The
while.
only thing, yeah,
about
the
2
only thing
years,
I
and-
keep reading on the comments is, Tirchi eppada varunadu? Roma Chichi eppada Tirchi varunadu? That's what I hear. And that
Yeah.
makes me feel so good. I mean, it makes you feel that you're missed.
Okay, Roma, so you said you're into dancing.
Right.
Tell me something more. What kind of dance are you learning, studying? What are you doing?
Okay, I've done a lot of jazz and the basic Bollywood dancing and hip hop. So right now I'm actually curious about this form of dance, the ballroom dance, because I find it really romantic and so graceful. So I want to learn that. So I think my next one on the list is going to be ballroom dancing. Yes.
The catch with ballroom dancing is to find a partner who knows how to ballroom dance as well.
Of course,
if that is the
very
right
important,
word.
yeah.
And then you can dance with him for life.
Yes.
So what is your plan then?
So I think I'm going to just wait for my life partner to either he has to be a trained dancer in ballroom, or he better learn it with me.
So that means all Malayali
So he
men are
better know.
excluded because all we know is Dappanguttu. So anyway,
No.
ballroom
So,
dancing is very low in the rung.
So, but yeah, I think either he just got to know it. That's it. Whether he knows it before or he's going to take an effort to learn it after coming into my life. So, but very important.
Guys, ballroom dancing. Okay, that's next. Anyway, tell me, someone in your life, are you seeing someone? Are you in love with someone?
Love is always around. I mean,
Roma.
I'm not seeing anyone, but there's a lot of love around. Yes, love in all forms. Very diplomatic, right?
Yeah.
Cliched.
Okay, that was very boring. Okay. So tell me, how do you react to controversies?
I just take it from this year and I leave it from the other. It just goes like that.
Very interesting. Today morning when I was Googling Roma and I saw this YouTube video of you being in a club and I was just like, okay, this is very...
Ridiculous.
Yes. How do you react to things like that?
No, I don't take it too much to heart because I know this is all, you know, I don't know if you call it politics or what it is. I have no idea about how to, you know, get the right word to it, but it has stopped affecting me because initially I was pulled into a lot of things that I had no connection with at all. And I would be like, from where did they get my name? I mean, I don't have any connection with that. Why was my name, you know, cropping up in all this? So then I realized, oh, let it be. I mean, even if there's no connection, there's nothing, your name is always pulled in. So even if you're going to be pulled in, it's fine. I mean, just ignore. So ignorance was what I decided to, you know, take up as a habit, basically. Ignore.
Talking about marriage, in an interview to Madhrubhumi that you said in 2009 that you'll get married in 2 to 3 years. Or 3
Yeah,
to 4
that
years.
2 to 3 years never really shows up. Believe me, that's my favorite dialogue. When anybody asks me, Roma, so when are you planning to get married? I'm like, 2 to 3 years, 2 to 3 years. Then I don't really realize that those 2 3 years are actually over.
Oops.
No, marriage is not on the list right now, on
No.
the agenda, no.